Tim's building us new stairs, and it looks great. This will be our center console that used to be a chimney. I wanted a fireplace, a real wood oven fireplace, but he won't let me because this house has burnt down a couple of times and we don't want that to happen again. That's a Tim booty. And upstairs. We have electricity, we have pot lights, and they're going to look amazing. But for now, everything's kind of raw. It is February the 7th today. This one day will be a beautiful bathroom. The outside light is kind of making everything blurry. But yeah, it's so exciting. So this used to be a bedroom, but it looks so good, open concept, that we're just going to leave it open. So it'll be living room, dining room, kitchen, and that'll be like the utility room in the back. And then the ductwork is all above our head. So we have heat. We could pretty much move in here now. Except I like comfort. Imagine living in this wooden house with no insulation. Tim did all these windows by himself. I supervised, of course. Gave him all the great ideas that I have. Full of great ideas I am. Some of the walls were... There was a window here and the wall was completely rotted out because the window was leaking, and Tim fixed it. And he keeps fixing and fixing it. And we still have some drywall left, and I wish we didn't, because every time we open something crazy happens, and you know, you just want to be over all the crazy things by now, right, hubby love? All the gifts this house has given us. But anyways, it's coming along. We'll have a TV one day and an electric fireplace, and that's where all our beautiful friends are going to come through the door. And Mavi here, he's giving us all the help.